Hello everyone, we will have tutorials about the large format laser cutting software from now on. For the first episode, we will start with the installation of the software and hardware. For the installation of controller, let's take the RDC6445G DFM card as example. There are some marks of the corresponding interfaces on the main board. On the side, there are Ethernet, U-Disk, and USB interfaces. Here is the panel connection interface, power interface, and the reserved communication interface. Then, let's look at other interfaces. These two are laser interfaces. These are the interfaces of X, Y, Z, and U axis. These are two limit interfaces, input interface and output interface. For more related interface information, please refer to the wiring of user menu. Now we connect the main board with the panel and connect the laser axis and the limit interfaces. Turn on the power. If the screen is on, then it means connection success. After that, we need to debug parameters like direction polarity and limit polarity, and we can refer to the first episode hardware installation and debugging of RDVisionWorks software tutorial and the 17th episode vendor settings.